Hi, I'm James Cervantes, Product Manager for FX Luminaire. I'm here to give you an overview of FX Luminaire's premium lighting control option, the Luxor controller. This controller incorporates zoning, dimming, color, and theme control capabilities into a single lighting control system using the simple two-wire path installation. In this video, I will go over each of these features and how to incorporate them into your Luxor controller and take full advantage of the Luxor technology. Zoning. Zones or groups can be individual fixtures or multiple fixtures depending on how flexible you want your lighting system to be. Zoning allows you to control specific groups of fixtures without modifying settings on other fixtures. Fixtures are often grouped by type or location. Assigning single fixtures to their own group provides more flexibility when designing with color. Dimming. Dimming allows you to adjust the intensity or brightness from a luminaire from 0% to 100%. Dimming can be performed on any fixture with ZD or ZDC technology. This feature allows you to highlight certain elements in the landscape or even vary the intensity over the course of an evening. Color. Color in landscape lighting adds another creative dimension to your lighting design. Color is a combination of three factors: hue, saturation, and intensity. Hue is the primary attribute of a color, and the full spectrum is typically seen on a color wheel or a bar. Here we can scan through the visible light spectrum from red to orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. FX Luminaire uses RGBW LEDs, which allows the users to mix white light with the color to saturate and soften the hue. A high saturation percentage creates a deep hue, whereas a low percentage brings you closer to white. The hue is represented in Luxor numerically, from 0 to 359, to pinpoint the hue on the color wheel, whereas the saturation is a percentage and can be adjusted in 1% increments between 1 and 100. Themes. A theme is a set of groups at predetermined intensities and colors. Themes can be used to create any mood for an outdoor activity, holiday, or celebration. Themes give you the ability to take a group of lights and pull them into a single theme so that they can be adjusted as one piece.
We're going to have full functionality to do it right here from the palm of our hands. So what we'll do is we'll just go right here to the bistro theme and we'll slightly dim it. That way we can kind of show off some of the other lights and colors. Now that it's dim, we're going to go to a party night theme. Party night really set the tone for the homeowners to have some good color. There's a game day theme that we can choose that allows our homeowners to have the lights coincide with their favorite team. You know, they're out here watching the game. They can, it really kind of puts them in the mood. The next theme I want to show you is going to be called Winter Night. A nice soft blue color. Lastly, we have a theme called Security. This is going to be a theme that, you know, just allows everything to really turn off except for the functional lighting, the stair lights, and so the homeowner can move around his property.
I hope these explanations give you a better understanding on the powerful features available to you within the Luxor controller. Be sure to check out the other videos in order to learn how to use these features and incorporate them into your lighting control system.